So today is a no trading day, and what do you expect? Speaking, I traded today, and let me tell you, my friends, we are all retailers. We don't have so much power like what we think. See, SEBI is a big institution. It is one of the best institutions in the world, and trying to oppose them via social media, I don't think it is going to work. And see, what the SEBI is saying is they are trying to protect the retail traders, and that and this for the good of retail traders. They are selling many things. But really, I don't know. See, I have not been affected. See, if you see, they have reduced the margin money. That is an acceptable thing. See, earlier, if you check, maybe 2015 or 2016, and even till 2017, the margin was not so much. You do a strangle, just it will cost 60 or 50,000 only. Now it is more than 1.2 or 1.3 lakh. So it depends upon the weeks and some other various other factors. So these are the things that wise, if you see on that perspective, I have been affected. Now earlier we had less margin. So with a less capital, we used to make a good amount of money, but we have now what is happening is we are bringing in lots and more money, obviously because of high margin requirements, and our profit is also very low due to low premiums and weeks and that and this and all. Everything is okay. The SEBI wants to protect us. They want to protect the brokers. They want to protect the FIIs. Everything is okay. But I don't think retailers or retail people are having so much of power in India. And if you think we can oppose them or we can do anything with social media, I don't think this is going to happen. And whoever the people who are tweeting in Twitter, Facebook, hashtag no trade day, you go and check them, they would be trading. So that is, it doesn't, I don't think this is going to work. Anyway, if you are affected due to SEBI rules and SEBI peak margin, these things, I'm really sorry. There is nothing we can do. That's what I'm trying to say. So let us see what is happening in the market. Hello traders, my name is Umar and welcome to yet another video. So for the last 2 or 3 trading session or even 4 trading session, we have been seeing Nifty and Bank Nifty performing excellently. We have been above 17,000 when it comes to Nifty, and when it comes to Bank Nifty, I think we are more than how much? 36,500. Now if you see Nifty, I think 17,000 is going to be a good support, and when it comes to Bank Nifty, 36,500 is going to be a support. And what the data is showing is there is good amount of short covering in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. But I don't think so. See, global markets are positive. We don't have any negative news. And US markets, European market, Asian markets, all are in the green. So whatever happens, it is going to be in the good side only. That's what I think. Since there is no bad news and since there is no any negative news, I think markets are likely to stay above 17,000 only when it comes to Nifty, and Bank Nifty, I think 36,500 is going to be the good support. That's what I think. And if you see the data, there is what the data is saying is there is a good amount of short build-up in Nifty, and there is a good amount of short build-up in Bank Nifty as well. But if you see the futures premium, it is trading at a good premium of around 31.8 rupees basis. So that alone says that I don't think that alone says that participants are bullish and they think the market is going to go up, and I also think the markets are likely to stay on the upper side only. Don't try to short the market in this type of situation, and the volumes are really very low. That is what is very interesting. Maybe I may be wrong, maybe many traders were not trading today, that could be the reason why volumes are very low and there is a sign of short build-up. But as I told you, tomorrow everything should be fine. And Bank Nifty was performing today and Nifty was not performing today. See, Bank Nifty there is a long build-up and Nifty there is a short build-up. So retailers are heavily trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty, only retailers are trading, but only experienced hands are in the Bank Nifty sector. Bank Nifty indices they are trading. So Nifty and Bank Nifty are both are trading at a good premium. So you can understand by that alone that markets are really bullish, and I don't see the market going on the downside. And to coming back to my position, yesterday many people threatened me in a telegram. Threatened me in the sense many our group members were saying there is going to be a big fall. We will have to buy calls, puts tomorrow, that this and all. They started threatening me. They suggest. So what I did today morning, once I came, I just got off my position and adjustment whatever I did. So I made a profit of around 17k on that trade only. So I exited this trade today itself. So if I had waited today till tomorrow, maybe I would have made another 2 or 3k. So that's okay, fine. See, and when the market, and see the market today, market was very volatile, right? It went all the way to 17,200, then it came back, then it went up. So it was very volatile as usual. Wednesdays are very volatile, they are saying. So let us see what is going to happen tomorrow. And tomorrow is an expiry, and I think tomorrow is going to be a calm expiry. And yesterday you see FIS were net buyers for 3,800 crores, and today also they are buying in they have bought for around 600 crores, I think, 666 crores something. And DIs have been net sellers today. So for last 3 trading session alone, FIs have bought for around 6,000 crores. So that along with the data and along with the FII activity, I think people are bullish and market participants are bullish. And I'm telling you again, don't try to short the market, and you are going to get punished. So that's what I think. I am bullish, super bullish. So let's see how things pan out tomorrow. And nothing much to talk. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.